What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another unboxing, another hat, another video. Like, you know what I'm saying? We got some more Hat Club heat in the building today or tonight because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. But without further ado, we finna get into this Hat Club unboxing. I feel like it's one of those collections, like when you see it, it got so many hats that you just gotta get one, you know, out of collection. Like, and I so happen to got the most dopest one out of the collection that so happened to sit, but we finna get into this unboxing. Alright, so y'all already been here before, y'all already know what's next. We finna get into the fitted of the day. On my head today, I got the Yankees. I believe this from the Subway collection that they dropped, like, was that like November, December-ish? 2022? 2021, I'm tripping, y'all. I think that's 2000 World Series patch. Yep, this is like the Subway collection. That's what it was called, the Subway collection. And I thought this was black right here, but it turns out that it was navy blue. And I was like, bro, like, I just got it anyway because it's like, it's one of them Halloween hats. I feel like it's a Halloween hat. So I went ahead and bought it because it gave me spooky vibes. You got this nice navy blue upper, and it's a clean two-tone hat. Like, you got the green right here, green Yankees, navy all around up top, but you got that purple and that green on that, what do you call this, the flat batterman, with a gray brim and a black sweatband. It was a pretty solid hat, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people slept on this collection. They let this one sit. I mean, they got the other, you know, other couple hats, whatever, but they all gone now. So I got my very underrated collection. Let's get into the vibes. All right, man, it's time for the vibes of the day. I already know what I'm on. We got the crispy treats, you feel me? I had a long ass day. It's time to unwind, you feel me? Let's light this bad boy up. Come on now. I'm trying to get my video started. Light up. There we go. Crispy treats, bro. It smells so freaking good. I love a nice sweet smell. But you know, I go for like citrus during the summer, but I'ma let this make it. Alright, so it's always a story about how I get almost all my hats. But like, I was at work and I saw that they was dropping this. I watched a little live and I was like, well, I did miss out on a crossover because I really wanted that Blue Jays, but my phone lagged and I couldn't get it. So I was like, they dropping 32 teams with this one hat, and I was like, bro, I'm finna pass. Like, I'm just gonna pass. And so the drop happens and the day passes, and I go back and check. I always go back and check, see if the drop sold out. And so only like select teams sold out. And so I was looking, I was just like, damn, they left some dope hats on there, and nobody bought them. They probably still on there right now. So I saw this particular hat, that Tampa Bay Rays. That was a cop. I don't even know why it's still safe. It's probably gone by now because last time I checked, it was only a few sizes left. But I went ahead and snagged it, and I'm kind of glad I did. Well, I'm hoping I'm glad I did. We finna open this box and we finna see if I'm glad that I bought this cap. All right, got my box cutter. Let's open it. Also, some dope pins came out with this hat, but that was all sold out when I got this hat, so it should just have a collection pin like most of the collections do. Get our literature. Yep. First, let's get to this. Wow, I like the pen. I'm not gonna cap to you. I do like the pen. So, for the pen in this collection, it's like a dinosaur. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I can see that. It's a dinosaur biting like something. I don't even know what it is. It's a skeleton. Come on now, it's focusing on the pen board in the back. But yeah, it's like a dinosaur biting a skeleton. That's pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, I love that colorway. And we got the hat. We're gonna throw that box away. I feel it. Man. Bam. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably, yeah, this one of those ones. Definitely. Oh my goodness, just look at this. Why won't this focus tonight? Look at it. We about to get into it for real. Good gosh. Alright, let's get into it because this is super dope. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like this better than the Blue Jays, the OG Blue Jays one. But we got the Tampa Bay Rays. What's that, the 20-year anniversary patch? Look at that splat on there. Come on, this patch is crazy. This is a crazy patch. It's like metallic silver. Not metallic silver, like a metallic silver on the 20. But you see how the silver on this patch like glistens, like, bro. Man, this is a crazy hat. But of course, you know, we got the purple upper right here. Purple button as well. Black for that brim. And bloodshot red. Like, I love a red brim, bro. Black sweatband, of course, my favorite. And then look at this Batterman. We got black, red, and white. But this logo is so crazy with this patch. Like, y'all just do not understand. And we got the purple New Era flag, of course. Man, I ain't not even gonna curve it today because I'm probably not gonna wear it anytime soon, but, well, I probably am, but guys, y'all see the details for real. Y'all see it. Super dope collection. I'm not even gonna lie. But this has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share. I'm steady dropping heat back to back. I try to at least, you know what I'm saying? I got some more heat on the way, bro. Like, it's one of them hats that I've been trying to get for, one of them teams I've been trying to get for a minute. But stay tapped.